Another really cool tool available to you in AutoCAD Mechanical is the ability to actually import page setups from one drawing to another. So I'm currently in a completely blank drawing. There's nothing in the Model tab, nothing in either of the two Layout tabs either. I'm going to go to Layout 1 there, and I'm going to rename it, and you'll recognise the name of it. I'm going to call it A3 Landscape. And what I want to do there is bring in a page setup from a previous drawing. So I go to Page Setup Manager, right click on the tab, Page Setup Manager, and I hit there, Import. So there's my A3 Landscape tab there, Current Layout A3 Landscape. So I hit Import there. It goes to a folder where I've got some drawings stored. I've kind of cheated there a little bit and preset that, but you would go and find where your drawings are. And what I'm going to do there is I'm going to look at, let's say, modifying page setups that we did previously. When I open up that drawing, it tells me what page setups I've got. So there's some setup in the layout, some setup in the model, as you can see. I want that one there, A3 Plate Details Landscape in the Layout tab. I OK it. There it is there. I select it, double click on it, and it applies that to my A3 Landscape tab. So when I close now, what that allows me to do is when I right click and go to Plot, no extents in the drawing. It could not set a plot area to extents. That's because there's nothing there. So if I just OK that for the moment and then cancel it, what I need to do is actually have a border in there. So what I need to do there is go to Annotate on the ribbon there, Layout, like so, and I want a title border, like we've done previously. So I'll go for an A3, ISO title block A, I'll go for 1 to 1. I'm not going to move any objects, I'll OK that. Now, it prompts me now to set up a page setup. I'll worry about that later. I'll close that, and there's my title block. I'll insert that at 0, 0, and enter. So that's now in there. It prompts me to change any title block entries. I'll just OK that for now. So that's now in my A3 Landscape tab. So if I now right click and go to Page Setup Manager, there's my A3 Plate Details Landscape. I'll double click on it to make sure it's applied and then close. Now, when I right click and go to Plot and go to Preview, you'll see that there's a preview there ready to go. I didn't have anything on that sheet, so there was no extents it could go to. So if I just right click and exit that and cancel the plot there, you can see how quick and easy it is to bring a page setup from one drawing to another. It won't bring things through like borders or anything like that. What it's bringing through is the actual settings of the page setup. So if I right click and go to Page Setup Manager and select A3 Plate Details Landscape and modify, you can see it's brought all those settings across from the drawing that I originally took the page setup from.